Hey guys, Makex here, back again with another video. In this video, we are going to see what is Whoogle-Search, how it works, and how to set it in Kali Linux in order to avoid getting tracked or privacy leaks while using search engine. Also, if you are new to this channel, do consider subscribing the channel. It's completely free, and share the video with your geeky friends. So without any further ado, let's dive straight into the video. Firstly, let's know what exactly is Whoogle-Search and its uses. You get Google search results but without any ads, JavaScript, accelerated mobile page links, cookies or IP address tracking. It's easily deployable in one click as a Docker app and customizable with a single config file. Quick and both simple to implement as a primary search engine replacement on both desktop and mobile. So basically we are deploying our own search engine using Whoogle-Search, which deploys on the local host. We can also host it on our local Wi-Fi network. Even can limit it by applying authentication. Once done, can easily be used as search engine just like Google but with more security. Now it's important to understand the mechanism of things before using it. So let us understand how Whoogle-Search works. There is no official documentation on this, but with a bit of research and code analysis, we can know how it works. You can easily get to know the working of Whoogle by reading the following slide. Now there are three important files, namely routes.py, request.py, filter.py. Routes.py file contains the routes for all APIs. Request.py file handles all the outbound requests which is proxied, while filter.py file uses design functions and utilities to filter out the sponsored ad, JavaScript containing website and many more things from upstream Google search results. So with that being said, let's move forward and see how we can set up Whoogle-Search and use it. The first thing you need to install is Python 3 and Python 3 pip. Now type sudo pip install Whoogle-Search. As you can see, for me, many of the libraries are pre-installed, but for you it may take time. Type Whoogle-Search-H for the help menu. As you can see, there are many options such as host, port, HTTP only, user pass, etc. Now let's deploy Whoogle-Search on our local host. As you can see, Whoogle-Search is now deployed. You can further configure it as per your will, like dark mode, safe search, country, and many other settings. Let's see if searches are working fine. Yes, it's working perfectly fine, and you can see it filters out the result. It only shows the non-JavaScript results. Everything is working as you use them in Google. Now let's further configure it to work on our local Wi-Fi network. Now here put your IP address with --host And if you want to configure authentication, you can use -- user pass as shown in the video.
Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. I want to take it all, standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh.
Okay, we are done with the authentication setup. Now let's see if the authentication is working. Yes, as you can see, it's asking for username and password. So now on our local network, who have the username and password can only access the Whoogle-Search. Okay, so the search engine still works properly. Now we confirm if it's working on another host. So guys, this is how you can set up and use Whoogle-Search on your local host as well as LAN. I hope you got to learn something new from this video. If so, do leave a like on the video and subscribe the channel, share the video, and do give feedbacks in the comment section with new topics. Till then, Mekix here signing off, and have a nice life.